Randy, I love your show. Listen to it as often as I can. Great advice. Thank you very much for everything you do for the community. A couple questions here. This is a cherry tree that's 2 years old. Last year it grew great. It was full of leaves. It was wonderful. And this is what I'm getting this year. Everything is drying up. So I started hand watering it, and 5 gallons a day. And these have seemed to be holding their own, although some of them look like they're drying up. Here's the soil here. Right now it's pretty dry. Want to see what your recommendations are on that, if there's anything I should do, or just keep watering. This is an interesting tree. This is the other cherry tree. This is 1 year old, planted it in March or February, I think. And we've got roots growing out right below this section right here where it was spliced on. Should I cover this up with soil or mulch or compost, or is that okay? But my question here is, these leaves, this tree's been doing great, and now these leaves are all starting to curl. So and I've got bugs here. I've been spraying with BT, but still have problems here. We've got holes in the leaves, as you can see, and the leaves are curling. We've got some kind of black spots on it on both sides. And then I noticed this morning there was a moth on the tree, and then I came over to this leaf and there's a patch of something growing here. I don't know if I can get this so you can see it, but I wanted to know, and this is all of course eaten up, is this wind blown here? Do I need to put some kind of protection around it so that it doesn't get all curled up like that? Any advice would be greatly appreciated. Again, love the information you put out. Avid listener, and have never called in, but appreciate it. Because of your great advice, we do have a pretty successful garden. We're pretty happy with the results we're getting, and could really use your help on this tree. Thank you very much. Looking forward to your response.